Hello, and welcome to our channel where we unlock your full potential, meet your financial goals, and transform your life daily. In today's video, we're going to share with you 10 side hustles you can start today to earn extra income. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just need some extra cash, these side hustles are perfect for you. So grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's get started. Why start a side hustle? We all know how important it is to have multiple streams of income, especially in today's economy. A side hustle can help you achieve financial stability and freedom. It can provide you with the extra cash you need to pay off debt, save for a rainy day, or even start your own business. Not only that, but starting a side hustle can also help you gain new skills, expand your network, and boost your confidence. 10 side hustles you can start today. Freelance writing. Freelance writing involves writing articles, blog posts, or other content for clients. As a freelance writer, you can work from home and choose the projects you want to work on. You can find clients on freelance marketplaces or by reaching out to businesses directly. To be successful as a freelance writer, you need to have strong writing skills, attention to detail, and the ability to meet deadlines. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses or individuals remotely. This can include tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing email and social media accounts, and handling customer inquiry. As a virtual assistant, you can work from home and set your own schedule. You can find clients on freelance marketplaces or by reaching out to businesses directly. To be successful as a virtual assistant, you need to be organized, reliable, and able to multitask. Photography. Photography is a popular side hustle that involves taking photos for clients. This can include portraits, event photography, or product photography. As a photographer, you can work on your own schedule and choose the projects you want to work on. You can find clients by networking with other professionals or by advertising your services online. To be successful as a photographer, you need to have strong technical skills, a good eye for composition, and the ability to work with clients. Social media management. Social media management involves managing social media accounts for businesses or individuals. This can include creating content, scheduling posts, and responding to customer inquiries. As a social media manager, you can work from home and set your own schedule. You can find clients by networking with other professionals or by advertising your services online. To be successful as a social media manager, you need to have a strong understanding of social media platforms, excellent communication skills, and the ability to analyze data. Dog walking or pet sitting. Dog walking and pet sitting are popular side hustles for animal lovers. As a dog walker or pet sitter, you can set your own schedule and work with a variety of clients. You can find clients through word of mouth or by advertising your services online. To be successful as a dog walker or pet sitter, you need to have a love of animals, a reliable schedule, and the ability to handle unexpected situations. Online tutoring. Online tutoring has become a popular side hustle as more and more students prefer learning from the comfort of their homes. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create a profile on tutoring platforms such as Tutor, Chegg, or Schooly, and start offering your services. You can set your own schedule and work from anywhere, making it a flexible and convenient option. To get started, you will need a computer, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space to conduct the sessions. You may also need to invest in a good quality webcam, microphone, and other tools to enhance the learning experience. Depending on your qualifications and experience, you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. Delivery services. Delivery services. With the rise of e-commerce, there has been a surge in demand for delivery services. You can sign up to become a delivery driver for companies like Uber Eats, Grubhub, or DoorDash and start earning money by delivering food and groceries to customers. You can also consider working as a courier for Amazon Flex or Postmates. The earning potential varies depending on the number of orders you deliver and the distance you travel. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour, and the best part is that you get to work on your own schedule. House cleaning. House cleaning is a lucrative side hustle that can be done on weekends or after work hours. You can offer your services to busy homeowners who don't have the time or energy to clean their houses themselves. You can charge by the hour or by the job, depending on the scope of work. To get started, you will need to invest in cleaning supplies and equipment such as a vacuum cleaner, mop, and cleaning solutions. You can also offer additional services such as laundry or organization to increase your earning potential. Event planning. Event planning, if you have a knack for planning and organizing events, you can turn it into a profitable side hustle. You can offer your services as an event planner for weddings, parties, or corporate events. You will need to have strong organizational and communication skills to be successful in this field. To get started, you can build a portfolio by planning events for family and friends or volunteering for nonprofit organizations. You can also join online platforms such as Thumbtack or even Tective to find clients. Depending on the type of event and your experience, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per event. Renting out your space. Renting out your space. If you have a spare room or a vacation home, you can consider renting it out on platforms such as Airbnb or Vrbo. This can be a lucrative side hustle, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. You can set your own rental rates and availability, making it a flexible and easy way to earn extra income. To get started, you will need to create a listing for your space and ensure that it is clean and well maintained. You will also need to provide basic amenities such as toiletries and linens to ensure a comfortable stay for your guests. Depending on your location and the type of space, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 per night. In conclusion, thank you for watching our video on 10 side hustles you can start today for extra income. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, starting a side hustle can provide you with the extra income you need to achieve your financial goals. So, don't be afraid to take that first step and start your own side hustle today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from us.